Okay, in this tutorial, we are going to go through the process of importing Lidar contours from a shapefile into Civil 3D. So the first thing we need to do is obtain our shapefile that contains the Lidar contours. So we're going to go ahead and open Google Chrome or whatever web browser you're using. And we're going to go to a NOAA website that contains the Lidar. Now, any area using this website that's in orange will have these contour elevations. Outside of that, it will not have it. So you'll have to go to whatever website you use to obtain your elevations from. Us being in New York, we're going to use this website and we're going to scroll into Long Island. Okay, now once you locate the site that you're going to be getting the contours for, you're going to go here to where it says draw. And then you're going to left click, hold it, and go down to the right and just window across the area that you're looking to obtain. Once you have it selected, you're going to click the cart icon next to where it says 2014 LiDAR Post Sandy, Long Island. And then again, hit the cart icon to the top right. Hit next. Now in this, the only setting you're going to have to change is instead of the output product as a raster, you're going to select contour and you'll see the output format changes to shapefile once you select contour. The interval at 1 is okay, and that should be all good. Now you just go ahead and select next. Then you'll enter in your email address. You don't have to check this. You want to receive information, don't bother. Once you type in your information, you're going to hit select next. Then what it's going to do is it's going to send you an email letting you know that your request has been received. And then in about 10 to maybe 15 minutes, you're going to receive a link that will connect you to the zip file where you're going to be able to download the LiDAR contours that you just selected. But now, once you download that file, you're going to right click on it and you're just going to unzip it. So now that we have our files, we're going to go ahead into Civil 3D. And what I like to do is when I'm going to import the contours, I usually turn on my geolocation being aerial. This way I can go to the site that we're looking to import the contours to, and I know where it's going to end up. The reason being is sometimes you have to select a boundary around the area, otherwise it won't import the shape file. I don't know why. I don't know if it's a Civil 3D 2025 issue, but for some reason, if I don't set the boundary, it will give me an error message basically saying shapefile not valid. Um, so once you locate the site in your Civil 3D drawing, um, actually, if you do not have this geolocation tab, it's because your drawing is in a coordinate setting. So to fix that, you just go up here to the top left. This hangs for a little bit. It's normal. Just give it some time and it'll come up. We're going to go down to drawing utilities and then drawing settings. And this is where you will change your coordinate system. My drawing is already correctly set up with NAT 83 Long Island US foot, so we're good. But again, if you don't have that geolocation tab, it's because this is empty and you have to provide it with what coordinate system that you want to use. Okay, so now that we have our Bing aerial inserted, we're zoomed into the area that we're going to be importing contours for. What we want to do is we just want to draw a rectangle around the site. Then after you draw the rectangle, we're going to go up to where it says surfaces, hit the down arrow, and we're going to select create surface from GIS data. It's already going to be set on surface, so you can leave that alone. We're going to change the name and we're going to just call it LiDAR. And for the style, since it's existing, we're going to use the existing contours 1 and 5 style. Render material does not have anything to do with this. So we're going to select next. The data source type that we're using is the shape. So we're going to go ahead and check this circle. And now we have the path to where we saved it. So we're going to hit the three dots to browse. And we are going to path to where we have our shape file and select open. Then select login. Hit the little box right here so you get a check mark. Hit next. Now this is where we're going to use that rectangle to define our area of interest. So hit the green cube with the arrow. And right here, you could either type S and enter or just click select. So we're just going to click it. And now we're going to go ahead and select the polyline rectangle that we drew. Then hit next. And right next to elevation, click that. So it drops down and select elevation and finish. And there we go. We now have our LiDAR contours inserted into our Civil 3D drawing in the correct coordinate system, correct location. And if you go to your tool space manager, you'll see that it is in fact a Civil 3D surface. And that's it. It's a pretty quick, straightforward, easy process. Hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you on the next one.